In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and hitting Clipboard at the top of it. Now to activate it, tap on gray switcher at the top right corner, and to go back, this arrow at the top left one. Now let's use Clipboard. To do that, copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. Now, if you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, just hold it and wait for this pop-up. Then select Pin and wait. You can unpin it the same way. Now to delete anything from Clipboard, you can either swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and click on the Delete button in the same pop-up we just used. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!